Well, cheers! Here's another way of playing the wonderful chords of Chan Chan. There's a lot of... It's D minor moving to F, G minor 7 going to A, and these are the standard way of playing the chords. So you can do all sorts of wonderful things with it. Getting back to the chords. Okay, so the same progression. You can use a lot of open strings if you want, or not open strings, closed strings that are sort of controllable. Let's have a closer look at that one. D minor is 7 5 5 5. F6 would be 5 5 5 5. And this G minor chord I find rather sexy. I just moved up the F sharp minor 1 fret. The 7th is no longer there. And we have the A chord, which is 2 1 0 0, and moving that one. That way you're creating a bass line, meaning that the low G string is moving down in small steps. And there's a lot of beautiful music doing just that. Beatles, to mention one example. So you have the bass line moving downwards and some chords on top of it, and then you have a melody perhaps moving upwards. What do you know? Isn't that interesting? If you don't understand what I'm saying, don't worry, I don't understand it either. So this low G has a low bass tone, so what about a high G? Not bad really. So that was bad. Need to tune it. So, what else can you do? 4 chords. Can you play them differently? Yeah. There's a lot of other ways of doing it. So, how about doing the exact opposite? I want as many loose strings as possible to ring out forever because I like that. So, D minor would be with open strings. You have that already. But how about this one? 5 5 5 0. And F major 7 is very sexy. You move your pinky if you can. Five 5 5 0 5 5 0 0. Oh, bloody phone number. So an interesting way of playing G minor is this one. Yes, you take your G major and you move it up. And you move this chord shape back 1 fret, and you have the A7. Or you play your G minor like this: 0 5 3 5, and your A7 like this. Dampening could get you a little more control over the strings singing for you. playing the F major 7 in this song is absolutely, it's called artistic freedom or something. What do you want? What do you want? Yeah. So, other ways, if you look at on this sheet, there will be many alternatives of how to play these interesting chords. So, how about this version? If you have G7, you move that up 2 frets and you have this one. That would be A7, but A7 with an G in the bass, which is not a bass because this is re-entrant tuning. If you don't understand what I'm saying, don't worry, I don't understand myself either. Okay, so other ways of playing the same thing. Let's see. We need the D minor somewhere else. So we came from A7, could be this one, or this one, or this one. So let's try that in context. That was wrong. But my favorite of this progression would be what? You want this? You can have it. Yeah, cheers. Chord inversions, inspiration from this. I hope you dig it. Cheers. Have a good one.